Hi guys, we got closer to the San Francisco airport, sorry. And I'm pretty sure all of these airplanes are domestic. So right there is the American airplane. That's the blue one. Behind the another American is Southwest. And I'm not sure. There's some Virgin over there. There is some United that you can't really see, and there's also some other American. But in the background you can see mountains, you can see the airport. So right there you can see the airport. It's kind of blurry, but it's an amazing view, and I hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos that we have. Oh look, the Southwest is doing something. It's going somewhere. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos that we have uploaded for seeing all the airplanes. But let me show you guys the Southwest, and then yep, it's going up. Where is it? Ah! It's going up. So is the American. Let's watch this, guys, and then I will see you guys next time. Sorry if you can't hear me, it's very loud. Sorry that it's blurry too. Okay, anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!